If you've been dreaming of owning a home but think you can't because you need 20% down, I've got news for you. Not only do you not need a 20% down payment, not even close. Today, we're uncovering a few facts about 5% down conventional loans and why they might be the key to you getting into your dream home sooner. Let's dive in. The idea that you need 20% down is a myth that holds too many home buyers back. Busting that myth is a game changer for first-time home buyers or even move-up buyers who haven't bought a home in a while. With rising home prices up 398% over the past 40 years, according to the Census Bureau and HUD, saving for 20% can feel impossible. As an example, let's take a $300,000 home appreciating at just 3% annually. Waiting just 2 years could mean paying $318,000 instead of $300,000. Not to mention, keeping up with that extra $18,000 in savings would require setting aside $150 more each month. But here's the real surprise. Mortgage insurance on that house today with 5% down would only be about $125 per month for a buyer with a 740 credit score, says the mortgage insurance provider MGIC. This is less than you would have to save just to keep up with home prices without making a dent towards that 20% down payment. Instead of waiting, putting 5% down now lets you secure today's prices and start building equity right away. Here's what you'll need in order to qualify for a 5% down conventional loan. 1. Private mortgage insurance. PMI is required for loans with less than 20% down. Mortgage insurance cost depends on your credit score and loan terms. 2. Credit score. You'll typically need at least a 620 score, but higher scores unlock better rates and terms. 3. Income and employment verification. Lenders typically want to see your housing cost under 36% of your gross income, but some lenders allow for high debt ratios. And 4. Property rules. Most homes are eligible, but you'll need to live in the home for at least 12 months. While 3% down loans can be appealing, putting 5% down offers a couple of key advantages. Lower monthly cost. A 5% down payment saves about $40 a month in PMI compared to just 3% down. More flexibility. With 5% down, you don't face the income limits or first-time buyer requirements that are usually tied to 3% loans. Yes, a 5% down payment means $6,000 more upfront on a $300,000 home as compared to a 3% down loan, but the monthly savings and flexibility make it worth considering. To make your home buying journey smooth, here are a few tips to keep in mind. 1. Budget wisely. Focus on what's comfortable, not just what you're approved for. 2. Work with experts. Partner with knowledgeable lenders who can explain your options. 3. Leverage assistance. If 5% down is tough, look into down payment assistance programs that can reduce upfront cost. 4. Boost your credit. Regularly monitor your score and work on improving it for better loan terms. A 5% down payment speeds up your path to homeownership, reduces financial strain, and offers more flexibility in today's competitive housing market. It's a smart way to lock in your dream home and start building equity sooner. For more information on buying a home with just 5% down, visit mortgageresearch.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. We are here to help. Thanks for watching and cheers to your home buying journey.